So I'm cooking a chicken dish tonight. I've got chicken thigh fillets, which I'm thinly slicing at the moment. I've just done one and a half. The pan's on a medium heat, lightly sprayed with extra virgin olive oil with the red tick for the heart. The chicken goes in. Zucchini. Put some Moroccan spice on it. Not too much, but enough. There's the zucchini in now. Put a bit of parsley in. It's getting some nice colour in it. The thigh fillets, I got a bit of ready meat to them, so I got frozen veg. I'll throw those in. It's already cut up. Some baby peas. I've got some spinach here too. I like the spinach, so I'm going to throw those in. They're frozen as well. The frozen blocks. good source of iron and zinc. I've even got fresh baby spinach here that's on its way up by its use by date. So let's just throw it in the dish, eh? I don't need to add carrots because there's already carrots in there. But that'll all wilt down in a minute. And I'll come back to you soon. While the dish is cooking, I've just cut up a pineapple. Cut all the skin off it. I'm just cutting it up for dessert. For breakfast. I've got a muesli that I can add the fresh fruit to. Yum. Sweet, fresh pineapple. I'll put that in the fridge for later. Not even blend it. Blend the pineapple up later with a some zero lemonade. Put a little bit of chili powder in it, just to add a little bit of spice to it. Basil pesto, awesome. Chicken, tomato, and basil. Stick 4 big scoops of that in. Chicken, tomato, and basil. Oh, yum. Give that a bit of a mix up. Let that cook through. Now you can make it into a creamy dish by putting light cooking cream in it, or thickened cream. I've got both. I've actually got thickened cream and sour cream, so I'm going to put some sour cream in that. I got 90-second brown rice. This one here is easy, it's microwavable, it's already cooked. Just puff it up a bit, something for that to stand on when you put it in the microwave. Open it up to vent it, like that. Stick that in the microwave, which is underneath the camera. 90 minutes, well that's 1.5 minutes, but the microwave doesn't do 1.5, I don't think. Well, there's 1.5 on it, there you go. So that's sour light cream. cream too, so always better for the heart too. With the sour cream and the basil pesto, the cream has made the pesto has made the sour cream go pale green. So it's a green chicken dish without the green curry, and to add the colour, there's carrot in it. Go the other way. This is ready to serve up, so I'm just gonna serve it up on a black plate to make it look better. Turn that off. And I'll dish it up and we'll take a photo and you can see what it's like.